Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm here with Stella the Wolf,
Hello.
A.K.A the sad Stella Wolf.
The sad wolf Stella. You said my name wrong.
I don't care, but
We're
she's
doing
also
a random CleverBot session,
yeah.
and this is the
So
first time you're ever gonna hear my voice. Yay!
Really?
Yeah, I haven't had any screen recorder that could record my voice too ever.
All right, 1 second. CleverBot, CleverBot.
I'm just gonna start with saying hi. Hi. Waiting for a response. Taking forever.
So here's my CleverBot thing.
And my CleverBot is not even responding.
Lol.
That took forever.
Let's see. If any of you guys know where the microphone thing is on CleverBot.
You can't do a microphone on
Clever Lips? What?
What?
Click. Oh, it's an iOS app.
Yeah, that sounds terrifying.
Yeah, because you're not in the call. I'm going to add that person back to the call.
Why? It's gonna ruin our recording.
So it'll ruin the recording, and I'll just say we're recording, so let me be quiet.
I don't think he's gonna do that.
I don't either, but you know, YOLO.
Ugh.
So let's say hi to Clever. Hi.
You only started now? I started a long time ago.
Hi. Hello. And what's up? Don't say the sky or I'll get mad. These little jerks.
What did it do?
The sky.
What?
I said, what's up? And they said the sky.
Oh. What's up? I hope he's gonna say the sky. No response yet. I don't know why it's going so slow.
I said, what would you think if I told you I was a human? And they said, I want a bath.
What would you do if I was a wolf? Waiting for the response.
I am too.
It takes forever right now. I don't know what CleverBot's doing.
That's the best question ever.
What?
Okay, CleverBot said, I have a question for you. I have a question. And I said, ask away. And they said, is Justin Bieber a man or a woman?
That's brilliant.
I'm going to say woman. I'm just going to answer these questions terribly. Oh, that's mean.
I'm just going to be like, what's Justin Bieber's gender?
Call again, I missed it. Alright.
I can't remember how to spell Bieber.
It's B-I-B-E-R, I think. Stella.
What?
I removed them.
Oh my god! I asked, what would you do if I was a woman? Depends on if you're good looking. What?
Okay, these conversations are starting to get confusing.
Yeah.
Have you ever seen Twilight? No.
Twilight sucks. My
exactly.
mom loves it.
Because it sucks on lollipop.
I asked what's Justin Bieber's gender, and he said he's an onion ring.
Perfect. And my CleverBot decided to freeze, so I am going to restart it.
Or a PC. CleverBot is not an alien, she's a PC.
I thought it was a girl.
No, my name's Good. Good computer.
Okay,
Actually knew
CleverBot
her
saw.
name for once.
Okay, so CleverBot decided not to work for me, so that's it for this round of what?
Looks at master.
Okay, they replied. I said hi, they said no. No way.
Mama, thank you for that burrito.
Hello.
It was amazing.
Okay, this conversation is pretty awkward. Hi. And they said no, and I said no way, and they said hello. So,
She's like, shut up.
how are you? Okay, so all that, then they said, how are you? And I said, mean. And they said, that's a shame. You should be nice to people.
I told CleverBot to shut up because she kept calling me master. So then she's like, that's not very nice. But then neither are you. And I'm like, I know that. So did I. You're confusing, CleverBot.
And I told them to shut up, and they said, why? And then I said, because I'm mean. And they said, you're not what?
I'm just gonna say I'm an onion ring. I'm an onion ring. I'm waiting for the response. This is almost the last. What am I? I don't know. You're a computer.
I just asked that.
I'm afraid not. Am I?
You think I'm a turtle? Yes.
A bunch of code. You're a bunch of code.
Because
I'm not a bunch of code because I'm not a game.
I am a girl, you idiot.
You're a bunch of code.
Oh, God.
You have a dog? Yes, I do.
They just said, how are you, Harry Styles? Oh, wow. What? They do? I'm gonna. No, I don't want to.
Yay, CleverBot is being nice. That's rare.
Do you like waffles?
Do you like waffles?
No. Why not? Because do you like waffles?
Do you like waffles? Yes!
It worked! Why'd you put a period in a question unless what you said was a statement?
Fair. I asked, do you like waffles? And then CleverBot said, yeah, we like waffles.
That's so mean! They said, do you like One Direction? If you say no, then bye.
Do you like pancakes?
No, I'm gonna say no way. They said only if I said no.
What people say.
Excited for the response. Yeah, we like pancakes. Yay! Do you like French toast?
No, I said no way, and they said why, and I
You
said
like
because,
French toast?
and they said because why, and I said because you can, and
Yeah,
they
we
said
like
no you can't.
French toast. Yeah, we like French toast. Do 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 do. I just collabed the pancake song,
Well,
and I start with, do you like waffles? Do you like, yeah, we like waffles. Do you like pancakes? Yeah, we like pancakes. Do you like French toast? Yeah, we like French toast. Do 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 do. Not well. Oh, it's
I said Pokemon, and they said Poke.
it is not a waffle. It is just waffles. What? What? That comment makes no sense. Okay, I don't want to be.
Mom,
Starting to get weird.
Bruno Mars.
Okay, apparently CleverBot loves noses.
Love.
Try asking her that. Do you love noses? I said, I love wolves. Do you like to ride on them? What? Like, you can't ride on a wolf. You can't ride on a wolf.
VOW? What? Brandon, what's
I
VOW?
have no idea.
E-O-W? Wow.
Oh, make a vow.
You make no sense. You do.
It
Don't
says
either.
I am not saying the sentence that this CleverBot just said.
Why?
Cause it's awkward.
I don't care. I'm gonna watch your video.
Yes, you are gonna watch my video, aren't you?
Yeah.
How about we both upload each one of on our channel and just say to show it's a collab? Lol.
Yeah.
That would be a good idea, wouldn't it?
Yep.
He's like, farewell, randomly. I said, lol, farewell, don't go. Yeah. Hoarding. A video. Here YouTube. I spelled because wrong.
I'm spelling everything wrong right now. Cats, dog, birds,
Apparently,
fiends,
okay,
cats,
CleverBot knew I was recording. That's terrifying.
What's your favorite anime? I don't have. I have one, you. But
Don't call her.
Wally.
Don't call her that.
I called her a butt lollipop.
Okay, what's your favorite color? I don't know how to spell turquoise. Blue.
They say yes. I'm gonna just end the video right here.
What flavor is blue? What?
Alright, well that's it for now. Thanks for watching.
Blueberry?
And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And
I'm gonna
never
end my recording now, so
say
bye, my lovely wolves.